Silhouette Connect is a plugin available for those who want to cut directly from Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. This is a helpful feature if you're already comfortable using these graphic software programs. You can find the Silhouette Connect plugin on the Silhouette America software page. You need to purchase a license key, download and install the plugin, then activate the license with the key when prompted. At that point, you can send your design to your Silhouette machine directly from Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW without ever opening Silhouette Studio. In this first example, I've got a page full of leaves ready to cut in Adobe Illustrator. Go to File, Silhouette Connect, Send to Silhouette Connect. The plugin will launch. Then it brings up a cut settings window that looks similar to Silhouette Studio, where I can set my page properties, cutting mat, and material. I designed this as letter size, but I can change it to a 12-inch page size and rotate and move the design if I want. I'll leave my 12-inch Cameo mat. Because Adobe Illustrator supports layers, I can choose to cut by layer or by line color. I'll set my material to patterned paper. When the material is selected, I can adjust the settings if necessary. I'm using my Cameo 3, so I want to use my automatic blade, and it will adjust itself before cutting based on these settings. I can test cut if I need to, and with this design, I don't need to touch any advanced settings. Click Start, and it will send this document to be cut from my Cameo 3. Silhouette Connect also provides automated weed settings in this Weeding tab. Let's say I want to cut this from a 12-inch vinyl roll instead of paper on a mat. Go to the Weed Settings tab, check the box to show weed border, adjust the padding if necessary, then choose the type of weed lines. Go back to the Cut Settings page or the Send to Silhouette page to send the job to your machine by clicking Start. Your machine will cut these blue weed lines in addition to your actual design to assist in weeding your vinyl. In my next example, I've created a print and cut page full of tags. Even though I'm in Adobe Illustrator, I can still add registration marks for my Silhouette machine to read after printing and before cutting. Go to File, Silhouette Connect, Silhouette Registration Marks. Turn the style to Type 1 for the Cameo, Portrait, or Curio, or the second choice for models older than that. The defaults are fine, so I'm not going to make any adjustments, but feel free to explore these if you want. Click OK, and the registration marks will appear on your document. Go to File, Print, so you can print it. Don't make any changes to the document after printing. Now go to File, Silhouette Connect, Send to Silhouette Connect. This time I need to make sure all those inner lines don't cut. I only want to cut around the outer oval edge. This particular design is all on one layer, so if I want to cut by layer, I can go to my Advanced drop-down arrow and check the box for Auto Weld. That's the same thing as Cut Edge in Silhouette Studio. The inner words and designs disappear, which is good because it means those lines won't cut. The document has already printed, so I'm only worried about cut lines. Make sure to select the correct blade and the correct material that you've printed on and placed onto your mat. Make any adjustments as necessary. If I want to cut by line color, this time I can turn off those internal cut lines by unchecking the appropriate box. When the inner lines disappear and I've verified my correct paper type, I'm ready to load my mat and click Start. The auto blade will adjust if you're using it, and your machine will cut just like it does with Silhouette Studio. That's how to use Silhouette Connect to cut directly from Adobe Illustrator, and CorelDRAW will be similar. Thanks for watching.